A very good morning, students. Let us welcome to 5th standard English. I think you all enjoyed the first unit, Exploring Space. Now we come to the unit 2, My Native Place. Unit 2, My Native Place. Do you know what is native place? Yes, it is one earth place or one hold it in younger days. Students, have you been to your grandparents' place? Yes, it is a village as it is some may they live in village or some others live in cities. How do you feel when your family plan to go there? Come, let's see. Our all name Santosh, who had written to his diary about his trip in grandparents' village. I just tell you the story. You follow that, then you will read. Usually, we all feel excited to visit grandparents' village, isn't it? If it is a village, the joy is troubled. So, the Santosh is also happy to spend his vacation, that is, long holidays, in the village, his grandparents. He has habit of recording the things he experienced in a diary, and later he transferred them he recorded in his diary. Are you ready to read about what he has written in his diary? Now you see on 10th April what happened and what he has written in his diary. He is very eager to visit his grandparents' village. He met his grandparents and cousins. He has packed his clothes and tap for playing video games. He will be traveling in a bus. He is so excited. So this is what about Santosh's diary on his summer vacation. On 11th April, you see what happened. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white plains in the lush green paddy fields. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. You see the picture, no? This is the scarecrow, like a man standing, no? This is a scarecrow. It's a managed to scare away the crows in the field. This is no traffic. There is no traffic, noise, and air pollution in the village. On 12th April, you see what happened. He has woken up early today. He went for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze is pleasing. The farmers are already in their fields. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are threshing the body. Next, his grandmother introduces a girl, Pavai. She is very eager to show him around the village. Pavai shows him how to play with a tire and a stick. See, Pavai showing how to play the tire with the stick. All children here to have their summer vacation. They are the friends are Pavai, Amir, Peter and Umayal. Amir helps his grandfather in milking their cows, and the Peter and Umayal are sitting with their grandmother breaking groundnut pods. On 13th April, you see, Pavai takes him to the village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. See, many children are splashing around in the pond. And some boys are climbing on the tree. And some other girls are playing hiding, seek and hiding behind the tree. On 14th April, you see what happened? They are back to their home in the city. The trip to Santosh's grandparents' home was so enjoyable. Those 2 days flew by so fast. He realized that during their stay, he had neither watched television nor played video games. He is eagerly looking forward to his next visit. Now let us move on to activity glossary. First one is eager, keen. Vacation, holiday. Numerous, great in number. Pebble, a kind of stone. Expert, well killed. So dear students, did you understand the lesson? So once more you read and go through the unit to full trip to my grandparents' village and do the exercise glossary, match the following and answer the following questions. And write in your note, English classwork note, and send it to your subject teacher WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.